can't believe that one.
Oh, you can believe what you want, hon. I'm the one who's feeling it. Doesn't rhyme.
Okay, can you just say it on his film? It's nice, good. It's
not nice.
Right here,
Oh,
right here, right here.
In the back of my head.
It's
Good morning, Philippines!
So what is the right one that you have a right word and the right rhyme?
Breaky, breaky. This is fakey.
No, that's not even continuation from the breaky, breaky. This is the what?
Fakey.
Maybe this one. Breaky, breaky, squeaky, squeaky.
Squeaky, squeaky.
No, breaky, breaky. Squeak tree, squeak tree. Maybe that's right. The lightning hunt. Hala, Roxy will freak out, Roxy hunt. That's loud lightning hunt.
I like
Thunder.
it. I like it.
Your Roxy is freaking out.
Ah, she likes it too.
No, hunt.
She said, oh, they left me here to get electrocuted.
Honey, I don't see that.
Friggin' people left me here to get electrocuted.
Don't see that, hon. Let's see that, hon.
That's what she's thinking right
Sometimes the word is very powerful. It can make your ass move. No. And you know, and I'm afraid of electric. You know it.
You're afraid of wind. You're afraid of rain.
No,
you're afraid of leisure.
even the static kind of that winter thing, that when the blanket is static, is just afraid. I'm afraid of it. Like, so nervous of that. Can you just say it? Breaky, breaky, alligatory. Shit.
Doesn't rhyme.
Okay, can you just say it on his film? It's nice, good. It's
not nice.
Okay, can you just say it, hon?
Breaky, breaky, alligatory.
Yeah, that.
Doesn't
break,
rhyme.
break.
Excuse me? Break what? Alligatory.
Did you see that, guys? Breaky, breaky, hon. Yeah, but it
drives like crap.
Yeah, but
it took him like 10 minutes to turn into a driveway. Come on.
Yeah, it's an idiot.
Driveway is big enough to put a truck in.
Yeah, it's an idiot. Oh, stop sign. Oh my God, you forgot the stop sign. Yes, I know you do. I know you do. I know. That car movement, I have to hold his hand that he cannot grab cigarette. Quickie, quickie, that is good. Quickie, quickie, egg and Vicky.
Quickie, quickie, leaves you sticky.
It make you sticky? Oh yeah, the quickie is make you sticky. Oh, quick! Oh, you cannot wipe your quickies. It makes you sticky.
You can't post this stupidity.
Oh my God!
I know you want to, but you cannot.
Oh my God! My husband likes quickie. Hello, honey. What is it? A lot of. I love you, love you. We are home family. Everybody, it should be. And just go straight. You really have to. Yeah, Roxy, you are not allowed to have any. You burp already, that means you're full. It's so dry.
Okay,
I'm in the party. You know, Fridays, they advertise their burger. It looks so good. Well, you usually Fridays have ribs, right? Roxy doesn't like tender, ano?
I know. Come here, Rox. Alright, Misty has it. Yeah, Rox. I'm sorry, little man. I didn't get treats. You got treats 10 minutes ago.
Hello, Roxy. Ito pala yung binili ni Tammy, guys. Na, what is that for? It's specific for?
Hummingbirds.
Hummingbirds. Nectar. Nectar from where?
Flowers.
Oh. Let me pour it. I'm really good with pouring.
Do it over the sink, please.
Huh?
Then do it over the sink.
Oh, it's right here. Hala, it smells so good. Hala, it's like a juice, hun.
Yes.
Wow, it smells good, guys. Pennington Premium Ready to Use Natural Spring Nectar Hummingbird Food. Yeah, but how the hummingbird know that you put something in there? I think put something to secure it.
Yes, hon.
Huh? Look, if every time it rains, look what happened. Look,
What?
there the water came in. You notice?
I'll tell you, the size of the place is. That's recycling.
No, I have to plug in this. I wanna see if I can do it myself.
Tons of them, they grow like crazy, they take over the grass.
Be careful. Ayan. Siyempre yung niluluto natin, guys. Mushroom wrap. Ito mushroom wrap. Ito lang yung ulam namin, guys. Shrimp. At yung vegetables. At meron pang vegetables. Yung rice yun. Yung shrimp, yun. Tapos na siya. Then, mag-plating na ako, guys. Yun. Huh? No, but I don't give them dinner. No, tell me how to give them dinner. He got a new haircut. No haircut, no.
It's hair. Looks just like hair. Only it's white. It looks like snow.
I love you.
Love you too, hon. Even I look like snow.
It's no. Hun, you have a nice salt and pepper here.
I know, I only see salt.
Right here,
Oh,
right
I
here,
can
right
see
here.
the back of my head.
It's more in here, and then it slowly go
Yeah,
here.
well, what I can see is all salt.
Oh, you're wearing that small. That's the one. That's a different one.
That's not the one.
Where is the one that we bought in the Philippines? It's expensive.
There it's home.
Huh?
It's at the house.
Bumili siya ng sunglasses. Not eyeglass. It's his eyeglasses, guys. Is in Davao. It cost him how many? It's 2 glasses, right? Two different kind. Is that gonna black out when it's hit the sun?
Yes.
Cost him.
500.
Yeah, 20. No, it's $23. 23,000 pieces.
Well, $500. 2 glasses and fix one. Couldn't be 23,000. Maybe I could.
It was.
Yeah.
I remember. Are you
Okay,
kidding
well,
me?
23,000 was 500.
We paid them by pesos.
So that's right, because it was $46 to 46 pesos to $1 at that point. So that would be $500. Let's say 500. Jeez.
Is it? That's expensive to us Filipino to fix your glasses like that.
compared to the fact that they cost me $1,000 here originally for one.
Why is that? Just have an eyeglasses. Why not just fix the eyes? That kind of money.
Don't go to Kain Optical. Don't go to Kain Optical.
I wish I won't. Colon?
Kain.
Cohen? What is Cohen?
It's a glasses place. And the glasses were no good. A couple months later, the lens was all foggy and they didn't want to fix them themselves.
Really?
Yeah, I would never buy
This,
them.
where did you get this?
They fixed them in the Philippines.
Oh, they fixed
I got them
it.
originally in Kain, in Manhattan.
Ah.
Yeah, it's because the lenses went bad right away, like 4 months after I got them, and they wouldn't honor them, they wouldn't fix them. They were crap. And the guy in the Philippines explained to me that they get them 3 different manufacturers, so there's the cheap ones, and so they charge you the most money for the cheapest crap.
Coffee to go. Luckily, bumili siya. Luckily, Tommy got a coffee to go, like a cup to go. Yeah. So here you go. Here's a coffee. Here, baby. Are you happy?
Hey,
Josh.
Hello,
Josh.
House.
I love you.
John.
Are you gonna miss me?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is that? Yeah. Like I don't think so. Yeah. I got a dog shampoo again.
I saw them up on the washing machine. You got your tea?
Yeah. Oh, good. I'm glad you remember this.
Mary, I remember that. I don't know.
Oh,
I got it.
I love you. I'll talk to you later. Okay?
Yeah.
I'll talk to you. I told him I miss the Philippine style. Just keep going. Yeah, Philippine style. Umalis na sila. Ay, nako! Nakaka-lonely naman ito. Always naman ako lonely nito, eh. Nasad si Mama Rox. Tignan niyo tong dalawa, guys. Nasad si Mama, Dada, and Grandma left. They both left us, baby, na. They left us. Dada's gone. Dada will be right back, baby. Huh? Where are you going? We're not going up yet. No, not yet. Not yet. We're not going up yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. You have to go out, and then poopy, and then pupa. Yes. Look, gusto niya niyang pumunta sa taas. Who wants to go out? Okay, let's go out. Let's out. Hoy, out. Oy, let's go out. Roxy, out. Let's go out. Right here. Out. Kaluka. Di mo na alam yung out. Kaluka ka. So, guys, meron na akong batong, guys. Yan. Hala, ang dito natumba. Hala, takot sa thunder, eh. Hala, takot sa thunder. Takot. Come here, let's see this right here. Come here, Rox. Tignan natin. Hala, ang daming tubig na nilagay ni Tommy. Tignan nyo yan. Mamaya na. Later. Alligator. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, salamat guys sa time ninyo to watch this video. And also, yeah, sa next time ulit, guys. Bye! Bye-bye.